Good day everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are going to start with exercise 3.2. 3.1 was done yesterday. So first I'll be reading the question. Exercise standard 10th. Exercise 3.2. Along with me, you have to solve the questions. Now, question number 1 says, solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. So please pay attention. Method is same for all. All the sums you have to practice 2 times. Now, this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Any one equation could be used. Either you can put the value of x or put the value of y or constant. The answer will be same. Now, I am using 1 or you can use 2. X minus y is equal to 4. So, x equal to 4 plus y. First step is clear? सबको समझ में आ गया? X equal to 4 plus, because this is minus, तो यहाँ पे plus हो जाएगा. Now, put the value of x in 1. ठीक है? What is 1? चलो, x की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? 4 plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. Now I'll take 4 here. Right side becomes negative. 2y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 5. 10 upon 2 I'm not writing. Directly we have to write now. Okay? Y आ गया समझ में? Now to find x. चलो कोई भी इक्वेशन में रख दो. You will get the answer. इसमें भी रख सकते हैं. चलो x equal to 4 plus y. y कितना आया? 4 plus 5. तो x कितना हो गया? So the answer is 9, 5. मतलब x equal to 9, y is equal to 5. बद्दा ने समझ पड़ी गई? Any doubt? This is called substitution method. Now I am going to the second one. Each sum 2 times compulsory. S minus t is equal to 3. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. चलो. First we give the number 1 और ये हो गया number 2. First I'll write using 1. S equal to 3 plus t. This step is clear? आगे समझ में? अब हम second equation को simplify करेंगे because we have got it is in fraction. 3 and 2 LCM is 6. आगे समझ में? अब 6 को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करो. All the terms with 6. This is the easiest way और इसमें मिस्टेक भी नहीं होगी. प्लस इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके? 3 2 ज़ा 2 3 ज़ा तो क्या आया? 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Now I'll put the value of s in this equation. This is your third one, suppose. चलो 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. Open the bracket. 2 3s are 6. 2t plus 3t. Like terms are there. You understand what is like terms? 6 I will take to the right side. 5t is equal to 30. So t will be how much? Therefore t is equal to 30 upon 5. तो आंसर आया 6. Now I'll find out s. S equal to 3 plus t. So the answer is S is 9, T एनी डाउट? समझ में आ रहा है सम्स? नाउ आई एम मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. बहुत इजी है एक्सरसाइज, but it will become more easy when you practice 2 times without seeing. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y. इसमें you see in second equation 3 is common. अगर निकालना हो तो ठीक है, or else let it be. I am using the first equation. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 3x. Now minus sign I'll transfer, so it becomes or. आया समझ में? सेम है ना सब what I have written? चलो, what is the equation 2? Equation 2 is, now I'll put the value of y. What is y? 3x minus 3. एकदम शांति से करना है. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. चलो 3 3 जा माइनस माइनस 9x. So from this you get x equal to 0. So what will be your y? Now question number 4, 5, 6, I gave you homework. Without fail, you have to try the sums. Same method. Now we are going to question number 2, also very important. Solve. I will write the equation first. This is question number 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. ये equation 1 है तुम्हारा. और second है, first we write down what is given in the question. Find the value of m. m find करना है, for which y is equal to mx plus 3. चलो, any idea from your side? तो पहले तो हमें इक्वेशन कॉपी करने हैं. इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2. इसमें 2 कॉमन है. We can take out 2 common, or you can keep as it is. I am using first equation. 2x plus 3y. 2x equal to 11 minus 3y. अब ध्यान देना, 11 minus 3y upon 2. ये होगी तुम्हारी x की वैल्यू. ओके, अब आ x ની વેલ્યુ આપણે ઇક્વેશન 2 માં મૂકવાની છે. 2 into 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y minus 24. This 2 and 2 come. 11 minus 3y minus 4y minus 24. Right terms, minus minus plus हो जाएगा, लेकिन साइन माइनस की रहेगी. minus 24. Now I will take 11 to the right side. 11 is positive, so it becomes negative. Minus 24 minus 11 minus 7y minus 35. 2 minus side, so I will cancel it. y is equal to 5. ठीक है, अब x फाइंड कर लेंगे. 2x plus 3y 11. 2x plus 3 into 5. 11 minus 15 will be minus 4. So x will be minus 2. Now we have to find out value of m. The equation given to you is, चलो put the values. 5 is equal to m. ये नेगेटिव है. 3 I'll bring it to the left side. चलो क्या करेंगे? माइनस माइनस कैन यू कैंसल? नो, देयर इज ओनली वन माइनस साइन. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? बोलो. 2 upon 2 is equal to minus m. Minus m is equal to 1. तो m will be -1। आ गया समझ में सबको? शांति से देख लो। क्वेश्चन 1, 2 फिर सॉल्व करते जाना है एक्स वाई की वैल्यू और उसके बाद फाइनली वी गेट m। Question number 3, 4 marks question. Find the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method only. First, I will read the question, then we will frame the statements और उसके बाद फिर हमें solve करना है which method? Substitution। ठीक है? तो step by step we will read. Along with me, all have to read the question. चलो, the difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. चलो, let the first number be x और सेकेंड नंबर क्या लेंगे हम? बी वाई। आ गया? फर्स्ट लाइन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू नंबर इज 26 एज पर फर्स्ट कंडीशन x minus y is equal to 26। फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आ गया। वन नंबर इज 3 times the other as per second condition x equal to 3y। अब इक्वेशन 1 ये इक्वेशन, सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x in 1, okay? 3y minus y is equal to 26, 2y is equal to 26, so y is equal to 13। y आ गया। अब हमें x फाइंड करना है। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आंसर, फर्स्ट नंबर इज कितना आया x? 39 एंड सेकेंड नंबर कितना आया? y हाउ मच यू गॉट? 13। ठीक, 39 minus 13 gives you 26। चेक कर लिया आंसर। x equal to 3y, 13 3 जा 39। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देख लो, समझ पड़ी बता ने? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Supplementary angles का मतलब क्या होगा? Total sum is 180. Let the two angles be x and y. So suppose if I take larger x, larger of two supplementary exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Okay, they are supplementary angles. So the first equation is as per second condition, larger exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. I'll solve now. X plus y is equal to 180 or x minus y is equal to 18. Anyone could be used. Suppose I'm using this, so x will be 18 plus y. Put the value in the first. 18 plus y is equal to 180 तो 2y इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 18, 2y इज इक्वल टू 162, राइट. तो y will be 81. If y is 81, what will be x? 99. तो x will be larger number. देख लो सारे स्टेप्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आई विल फ्रेम द इक्वेशंस. सॉल्यूशन आपको करना है, ठीक है. चलो. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1570. Find the cost of each bat and ball. Let the cost of, पहला क्या है, bats, be rupees x और cost of balls be rupees y as per first condition. फर्स्ट कंडीशन तो पहली लाइन रीड कीजिए. 7 बैट्स तो 7x और बॉल्स कितनी है 6y, टोटल इज 3800. ये आपका इक्वेशन 1 हो गया. समझ पड़ी बताने. नाउ एज पर सेकेंड कंडीशन, आ रहा है समझ में सबको. चलो रीड करो. 3 बैट्स એટલે 3x, 5 balls 5y. So you have to solve equation 1 and 2 and then give me the answer. How much you get the rate of bats and ball. Without fail you have to do it. Don't just leave it. Okay. Now we are going to the fourth one. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge. Let the fixed charge be rupees x together with the charge for the distance covered be rupees y. ठीक है. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105. X plus 10y is equal to 105. Equation number 1. For a journey of 15 kilometers, charge paid is rupees 155. So from this you will get x and y. Plus you have to find out what are the fixed charges per kilometer. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. Okay. Using 1, x equal to 105 minus x minus 10y. Okay. Chalo, put the value here. 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. So like terms 5y, 155 minus 105 तो कितना हो जाएगा 50. तो y will be 10. अब हम x फाइंड कर लेंगे. ठीक है. x plus 10y is equal to 105. X plus 10 into 5 y will be 10, sorry 10, so I will get 100. तो इसलिए ध्यान से लिखना है. ठीक है. So I will read The fixed charges will be rupees 5 and charge per kilometer will be rupees 10. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So total charge. So now how much you got? X plus 10 distance covered. X is 5, distance is 25. So you get rupees 255. Very important. Next question. Fraction number is coming now. A fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So I will go to the first statement. Let question number 5. Let the numerator be x and denominator कितना हो गया? be y. Fraction. उसमें क्या ऐड करना है? 2 is added. It becomes. चलो अब इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? The best part is cross multiply. Okay. 11 with the numerator, 9 with the denominator. Very simple. Without making any mistake. चलो open the bracket. 11x plus 22, 9y plus 18. ठीक है? 11x minus 9y, 18 minus 22. 11x आपको सॉल्व करना है. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन 1. इक्वेशन 1 मैंने ला दिया है. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5/6. As per second condition. क्या ऐड किया है दोनों में? 3. x plus 3, y plus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 5/6 ना? हाँ. तो मेथड इज सेम. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. चलो 6 with x plus 3 और 5 with y plus 3. Open the bracket. 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15. अब हम y को इधर लाएंगे तो now you have to solve equation 1 and 2 and give me the answer of x and y. Okay. Without fail you have to complete the sums. Now I am going to the next question. Very important question. Ready? 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So, can I start? Let the age of Jacob be x. Let Jacob's age be x and x years you can write. और son's age कितनी हो जाएगी? y years. ठीक है? Now one question I want to ask you. 5 years hence, if I ask you what will be your age after 5 years, तो आप क्या करोगे? अपनी एज में, प्रेजेंट एज में you will add 5. तो after 5 years, Jacob's age will be कितनी? x plus 5. आ रहा है समझ में? और son's age कितनी हो जाएगी? It will be y plus 5. अभी इक्वेशन 1 फॉर्म नहीं हुआ है. अगेन आई रीड द फर्स्ट लाइन. 5 years hence, age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. How many times? 3 times. More नहीं है, times है. As per first condition. चलो. Jacob's age कितनी है? It will be 3 times. Ask the question. How many times? 3 times. Now open the bracket. Simple. 3y plus 15. चलो अब y को यहाँ ले आओ. हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आ गया है. आ रहा है समझ में? ओके. 5 years ago, 5 years पहले आपकी एज क्या थी? तो you will have to subtract from the present age. Okay? 5 years ago मतलब 5 years ago. जेकब्स एज कितनी है? x है तो x माइनस 5 हो जाएगी. एंड सन्स एज y माइनस 5. पाछू रीड करिए આપણે 7 times as per सेकेंड कंडीशन. कितनी एज हो जाएगी? ये जेकब की एज है. 7 times. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. चलो चेंज द साइड. x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. x minus 7y is equal to minus 30 is your equation 2. Equation 1 और 2 आपको solve करना है and give me the answer of x and y, age of Jacobs and age of its son. Thank you. Now in exercise 3.3 we have to see the elimination method. Substitution I hope एकदम clear हो गई है आपको. So please practice. Okay. Now we will be going to 3.3 in the next video. Thank you.